Meetings often end with broken promises of notes. MeetFlow fixes this by automatically turning your audio into structured, formatted Google Docs with clear action items. It runs entirely inside your Google Drive, keeping your data private, so it never leaves your company. Supporting over 100 languages, it generates reports in 10. Let's see how it works. To demonstrate, I've used the transcript from a popular 2026 AI business strategy video. On the first page, you'll find standardized meeting details, providing a clear overview right from the start. In the business report, you'll find an executive summary, key topics discussed, confirmed decisions, specific action items, and identified risks. The report provides standardized meeting details, an executive summary, key topics, decisions, and recommended next steps to keep projects moving. Now let's take a look at a real business meeting report generated by MeetFlow. You'll see the executive summary, key topics discussed, confirmed decisions, specific action items, and identified risks. The report also includes domain-specific insights and recommended next steps to keep your projects moving forward. Setting up MeetFlow is simple. A one-time configuration allows it to work 24/7 directly in your Drive. In the configuration panel, you can customize everything, from report colors and signatures to automatic email distribution. One of our most powerful features is the MeetFlow Custom Glossary. This tool helps the AI understand your company's unique acronyms, KPIs, product names, and industry terms. Unlike standard transcription tools that struggle with internal jargon or domain-specific language, MeetFlow tailors the AI's understanding to your exact business context. This ensures that your transcripts and reports are highly accurate from the very start, eliminating the frustration of manual post-meeting corrections. MeetFlow works globally. Whether your meeting is in Tokyo, New York, or London, it makes no difference. You can upload the audio directly from your device, and within minutes, the full report is in your Drive and in your inbox. This is intelligence that keeps your team synchronized, no matter the time zone. Download MeetFlow via the link in the video description or the pinned comment below. If this automation helps you save time and boost your team's productivity, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more workflow tools.